Good morning. Myself Naresh, and the aim of this project is to save the power of the street lights. There are two methods. One method is the light should be on during the night, and automatically the light should be off during the day. And number two method is whenever there is a vehicular movement, then only the intensity of the street light should be high, and when there is no vehicle, the intensity should be kept in minimum. So to achieve this, we have created a circuit in which we have LDR and a resistor. Those are in series. The voltage division principle applicable to this circuit. Whenever light falls onto LDR, the resistance will be decreased so that the voltage drop will be low, and that is given to the street lights. So those street lights will be automatically off. During the night, the resistance of the LDR is high, so that maximum voltage drop is given to the lights, hence they will be automatically on. And we have used the sensors to sense the vehicular movement. Sensors have two LEDs, emitter and a receiver. Emitter will emit the IR wave and receiver will receive. Whenever there is a vehicle, the emitted wave will be reflected because vehicle is an obstacle, and so that is sensed by the sensor, and that will give high input to the LEDs, so that those will be kept in high intensity. When there is no vehicle, there is no reflected wave to the sensors, so that the minimum voltage is given to the lights, hence they will glow with a little intensity. So these are the two methods to save the power.